Good morning from beautiful Costa Rica. See, sometimes I'm just not sure why I do these things. Gotta get uncomfortable. As you can see, this is not Costa Rica. Reasoning for that, visa issues led myself to leave the country, which leads me to my new spot, which is Vermont. So now I'm in Vermont for the weekend. We're gonna get into some fun out here. It is not warm. It's not Costa Rica. Gonna start the day with a nice walk, hit that meditation, hit that breath work this morning, feeling incredible. I love the warmth, but there's nothing better to me than getting out in the woods in a cabin. I'm gonna show you these vibes real quick. Let's go. Good morning from Vermont. There's something about this place where I sleep insanely good. It is Saturday. This is kind of just a weekend of my life in a completely different scenery. So this morning, I'm gonna do some breath work outside in the cold. And I think I'm gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna clear my head and have some fun in the sun. Not really. On with the morning. It is definitely not warm. It's freezing today. Wind chill is just crazy. My hand is just wrecked right now. Welcome to Vermont. It is Saturday, feeling just incredible. Nothing better than breathing in the woods. Matter of fact, I'm gonna hit some breath work right here. Breathing in that incredible air. You gotta stay on it. Even when you're traveling, you gotta keep that routine in check. It's a good day. Gorgeous day, man. No matter where I am, always getting in that morning sunlight. Costa Rica, Vermont, doesn't matter. Family walk, so wholesome. Back to the crib. All right, got back from the walk. Now breaking the fast. First, some beef liver and beef organs. Most nutrient-dense food, supplement form, Equip. Shout out to Kieran and the team, crushing it. I always take vitamin D, K2 as well, D3 and K2. Get your vitamin D in.
No direction, no
Okay, since we're in Vermont, that means I have to find a way to break into that ice right there so I can jump in the water, because that's what you do when you're in Vermont. Not sure if any of this is gonna work. It's worth a try. Gonna look for something that is strong enough to break through some ice. Maybe a saw. Definitely not a leaf blower. Let's see, a shovel might work. Better than nothing. Definitely not going up there. I think we're gonna go with the shovel. It hasn't been super cold here, which I don't know if it'd be a good idea for me to go all the way out to there. The ice is a lot thicker than I thought. Not sure if this is gonna be possible. So it is looking like a no-go for jumping in this lake. Way too thick to break open with a shovel. We're gonna have to pass on the ice plunge today unless some miracle happens. Of course, we gotta do something still that's outside of our comfort zone. So I think I'm gonna walk across that island over there, do it shirtless, maybe in shorts. All right, I'm gonna go hit a meditation or just enjoy that fresh air. Always shake it out. Going out, just gonna go explore the area a little bit. Gonna drive. Was just driving around, went to a market, got, you know, of course we had to get the maple syrup out in Vermont. I'm gonna drink that. Avocados, squash. I feel myself getting too comfortable right now, so it is time to go shirtless, walk across the frozen pond. If I'm always preaching getting out of your comfort zone, there's no way I'm not gonna go do this right now, so. Okay, here we go. See, sometimes I'm just not sure why I do these things. I just feel like sometimes I have to. Gotta get uncomfortable every day. It's a little cold out here, I'm not gonna lie. There and back. How you doing? I had to challenge myself. All right, boys. Wish me luck.
Hopefully you got a warm shower.
I don't, man. I'll have a cold shower. We made it, baby. We're going back. Get uncomfortable every single day. There's no excuse. Plus, I mean, come on. This place is beautiful. We are back. Good morning from Vermont. No monkeys in the trees. It's definitely a different scenery that we have today, but I'm loving it. Check that out. Pretty sick. By the morning, I want to feel. Of course, we gotta start every day with some movement. It's essential. Get your body moving. Today, quick hit workout. Get that cardio in. Hit workout done. Now, time for that cold shower. Okay. Something I do religiously, cold showers. It gets you fired up. Also, hot, cold exposure. 20 seconds cold, 10 seconds hot. You repeat that about 10 rounds. It's an incredible practice. So I'm about to do that right now. Just gonna get zenned out. Get it as cold as you can. In a world where people are just becoming too soft, you gotta break out of that norm. You gotta get uncomfortable. Now I'm gonna get into work, get on my grind, and then have some fun. All right, so just been working. Now gonna do a quick little lunch break. Did a 16-hour fast. Now I'm ready to eat. Got the eggs from the farm, fresh, pasture raised. Love that. How many are we gonna do today? 4, 5? What do you think? Should we do 6? Yeah. 6 eggs, 2 oranges for that citrus immune system, and an avo. And then of course, vitamin D. Got the avo, and then we got the eggs. And this is what we got. I'm gonna eat this right now. It is not warm out here, and that is just a fact. I'm definitely enjoying that cold weather, definitely getting that. This is the little vibe we got going on. I love the warmth, but being out in the woods is one of my favorite things that this world has to offer. A beautiful morning out here in Vermont. Nothing like breathing in that good air. Got in that cold shower, hot cold therapy, and now I'm just enjoying the scenery. This morning this afternoon I'm gonna head back out, going to Western Massachusetts. But yeah, there's nothing like Vermont. Everything is just on point. The sun is shining on me, I feel good. Woo! It's a good morning. I think I'm gonna go for a little walk. Super quiet out here. Being out in the woods is easily one of the best ways to clear the head, for me at least. I'm gonna keep it walking and enjoy myself. You hear that? That is one of my favorite sounds. Backwards walk up this hill, incredible for strengthening the knees. Also killer quad workout. Get those knees strong. Let's go. An incredible trip out here in Vermont. Enjoyed that beautiful air, that crisp air, just nothing like it. I love the beach, I love the warmth, but there's nothing like getting out here into the cold, being in nature, no service. So this was a trip filled with a lot of comfort, spent some quality time with family, but also some discomfort. Walking across this lake shirtless was super fun. Regardless, an incredible trip. Thank you for watching this video. Excited to keep growing and keep documenting this journey with you. Continue to follow along. See what I'm up to, see what I'm creating. Life is all about discomfort, life is about growth. How are you getting uncomfortable? Are you going into cold plunge? Are you going up to a random stranger? Are you building that business? What are you doing to get out of that comfort zone? That is what I preach here. Continue to stick along on this journey. I appreciate you. But for now, I'm logging off from Vermont. See you guys later.
Don't tell